Hi, I'm Glenn, the creator of Campvue. On today's video, I'm going to give you a demo and show you how to make the best use of my new app at campvue.com. So if you want to follow along, grab your laptop, your tablet, your phone, and let's get started.
Campvue is an app dedicated to the camping community. Think of it as one part Yelp and one part Google Street View, but for campsites. You can watch videos to get visual intel about specific campsites or read user reviews. All the information you need to pick a perfect campsite on popular reservation systems like recreation.gov. Accessing Campvue is easy. Simply use your favorite web browser and visit campvue.com. Campvue works on any device from your laptop or desktop computer to tablets or even on your phone. Best of all, it's free to use and no account is necessary. If all you want to do is read reviews and see campsite videos, simply head over to campvue.com and you'll have full access to our database of campground content. On your very first visit, Campvue may look like this, or this. The app detects your system color scheme if you have one, but you can change between light mode and dark mode at any time to suit your needs. On your first visit, take some time to look around. We have informational pages like the About page that can help you make the most of the app. Campvue is a campsite discovery tool and is very easy to use. The homepage provides a few recommendations on where you can begin, but the easiest way to use the app is to search for a campground of interest, or the name of a park you're wanting to reserve a site at. When you search, you'll see instant matches to your search criteria. Either click on a name in the drop-down results, or navigate to the campgrounds page to refine your search. We are new on the camping scene and in the process of entering new campgrounds, sometimes several in one day. So if you don't find what you're looking for today, be sure to check back soon or view our campground drive-through playlist on our YouTube channel for more. Once you find a campground of interest, click the card and you will be presented with some basic campground information, including amenities, nearby things to do, and other helpful information and links. The most powerful feature of this step is the complete campground drive-through video tour, where you can see every site in the campground in sequence. This is the Google Street View-like experience we mentioned earlier. Interested in a campground? Click this icon to save it. If you have created an account, this will save this campground preference forever. Simply click the save icon again to remove it from your preferences. As you watch the campground drive-through, you can use the scrollable list of campsites and save them to your account for future reference. Saving campgrounds and campsites helps to customize the app according to your preferences. For example, if you save some campsites, you can filter the campsites to only your bookmarked favorites to see a more concise list. Handy for planning. When you want to see more information about a campsite, simply click on its card. The site page is the most powerful page in the app. Here you can see what other reviewers have said about a campsite. You can see various stats straight from the community, everything from privacy, RV access, to cell phone signal strengths for major carriers. Best of all, if you signed up for a free account, you too can contribute by writing your own campsite reviews. All that's required is assigning a rating and writing a short review, a minimum of 85 characters. Optionally, you can rate several categories like how much shade a site has or report if the ground is level. And of course, tell the community how cell phone connectivity was for you. When you save the review, your scores get factored into the overall campground score immediately, which contributes to a campground's overall rating. And now for the fun part. If you head over to the homepage shortly after writing your review, we give you a shout out to thank you for your community contribution. On most social apps like Yelp, you need an account to write reviews and save preferences. Same idea here at Campvue, and it's 100% free and secure. Our login system is powered by enterprise-level security, and your password is encrypted. Your profile data, like user reviews, is also protected and secure. Use the app with confidence. If you want to join the community, simply sign up and create an account today. After submitting a username and password for login, check your email. You will need to confirm your new account. Once you click the link in the confirmation email, you'll be redirected back to the Campvue app, where you can now complete your profile. You can now create a unique display name, which will appear next to your campsite reviews, and optionally upload a profile picture. A display name is required to write reviews, and for now that's it. Easy peasy. Finally, if you ever forget your password, never fear. Just request a password reset and follow the instructions. Shoot us an email at campvue@gmail.com if you have any questions or recommendations of campgrounds we should visit next, or drop us a comment below. Thanks for learning about Campvue today, and we hope it makes choosing a perfect campsite fun and easy.